Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down the latest on-site progress where major structural updates are unfolding across multiple areas of the stadium. From new compression ring segments being installed to continuous activity across upper and lower levels, the project is steadily moving into a more advanced phase. Let's get into the full breakdown. A new compression ring segment has now been successfully installed in the lateral section. This installation follows the recent placement of a radial beam, which created the necessary structural base for the segment. The newly installed piece is positioned near the transition area toward the south goal corner, showing clear directional progress. Work platforms are active around the structure, with crews focused on securing connections and making precise adjustments. With this addition, the total number of installed segments is now approaching around 20, marking steady and consistent progress in one of the most critical structural systems of the stadium. Across the upper levels, protective safety nets are being extended further. These systems are essential for maintaining safe working conditions, especially as more operations take place at height. This phase is all about readiness, ensuring everything is aligned before heavy lifting operations continue. On the lower levels, multiple crews are operating elevated platforms to install support structures beneath the cantilever areas. These supports are primarily designed for safety net systems and additional protective barriers. There is also visible work on alignment and reinforcement of structural elements. Small adjustments are being made to ensure that every component fits perfectly within the overall framework. This type of groundwork may look slow, but it is essential for maintaining long-term structural integrity as the stadium continues to grow vertically. The second cantilever is showing steady but controlled activity. Work is ongoing around the piston systems, where crews are monitoring and adjusting structural positions. While progress here is not as visually dramatic as the compression ring, it remains highly technical. These adjustments ensure proper load distribution and structural balance as new elements are added above. Everything in this section is about precision rather than speed. Inside the stadium, especially in the VIP sections, progress appears to be significantly behind expectations. Current observations suggest that finishing work is still at an early stage. Given earlier projections, the pace here is noticeably slow. If deadlines are to be met, interior work will need to accelerate in the coming months. This remains one of the key areas to watch moving forward. On the first cantilever level, painting operations are clearly active. Steel beams, bolts, and connection points are being coated as part of the finishing process. In parallel, crews are installing support systems for piping. Metal brackets are being fixed first, followed by the placement of black pipes along the underside of the structure. This combination of painting and utility installation shows that this section is moving into a more advanced phase of development. One of the most noticeable areas of progress is the installation of supports for the façade Llamas. Anchoring points have now been placed across multiple vertical levels, top, middle, and lower sections. In several zones, these supports are nearly complete, indicating that the project is getting ready for the next major step, installing the Llamas themselves. Once these elements begin to go in, the visual identity of the stadium will start to change significantly. The lateral construction zone is currently filled with a large volume of materials. This includes compression ring segments, radial beams, and structural pillars. At least 3 major segments are clearly staged and ready for lifting operations. This buildup of materials strongly suggests that the next few days could bring rapid progress, particularly in the direction of the north goal. In the north goal area, there appears to be a delay in one section of the compression ring. Although a radial beam has already been installed, the corresponding segment has not yet been placed. This suggests there may be alignment challenges or technical adjustments required before installation can proceed. At ground level, crews are assembling temporary structural frameworks around base areas. These setups are essential for supporting future installations of radial beams and compression ring segments. In addition, interior wall preparations are visible, with drywall installation beginning in certain sections. This indicates that both structural and interior work are progressing simultaneously, even if at different speeds. The north goal corner stands out as one of the most active zones currently. Multiple elevated platforms are operating at the same time, with crews working across different levels. Teams are installing guide systems that connect Llama supports both vertically and horizontally. This is a strong indication that facade installation in this area is entering a more advanced stage. At the same time, painting work continues on steel beams, ensuring all surfaces are properly finished before final elements are added. In the lower sections of the north goal, Llama installation has already begun. Panels are being lifted into position using cranes and secured by workers on elevated platforms. This confirms that all prerequisite work, such as painting and structural alignment, has been completed in these areas. It's a clear sign that the project is transitioning from structural work to visible finishing stages. Crane activity continues across the upper tiers, especially in the third cantilever of the north goal. Materials are being lifted regularly, even if not all operations are fully visible from below. Concrete pumps have also been observed, indicating that additional structural reinforcement or slab work is ongoing. This consistent activity shows that work is progressing across multiple layers at the same time. In the tribuna section, crews are actively connecting vertical supports for the Llama system. Large connectors are being installed between structural elements, creating a stable and secure framework. Some areas are already partially completed, while others are still in progress. New materials continue to arrive, ensuring that work in this section does not slow down. This is another important step forward in preparing the stadium's exterior structure. The installation of sandwich panels in this zone is almost completed, but the work is still not fully finished. Crews are using an elevated platform to position the remaining panels. Several smaller panels are still present on the platform, indicating that final placement work is ongoing. These remaining elements need to be carefully fitted into specific openings within the structure to complete the section. In parallel, workers are installing temporary safety barriers using ropes and fencing systems. These are being placed to secure the working zone and prevent any falling materials during ongoing operations. Although this is not structural installation work, it is essential for maintaining safe working conditions in the area. On the exterior facade, work is ongoing to refine the connections between glass panels. Crews are carefully aligning and sealing joints to ensure a clean and durable finish. Although much of the structure appears complete at first glance, detailed finishing work is still being carried out, particularly in upper areas. This phase is critical for both aesthetics and long-term performance. Overall, construction is progressing steadily across the stadium. The compression ring continues to expand. Facade support systems are nearing completion in multiple areas, and finishing work is becoming more prominent. The coming days will likely bring even more visible changes as major installations continue.